Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Madison if you're new here. I am so excited to be doing this video today. I am unboxing my vlogging camera. I have waited a while to do this. I've been saving up my money to get a vlogging camera and it finally came in today. And so yeah, I just want to go ahead and say I know the lighting's probably not the best because it's super cloudy outside and I'm trying to just get the last glimpse of sunlight, and I would have done it earlier today, but I've been driving all day so I didn't really have that option. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I want to go ahead and say what I ended up getting is a Canon G7X Mark II. Just wanted to make sure I had the name of that right. And then I also got a kit. So if you're looking to go get one of these, what I suggest doing is make sure you get the best price, because I actually found this one plus the kit for like $100 cheaper at Walmart than the one on Amazon that was like just the camera. So make sure you look into all of your prices before you buy this camera if you're looking into buying it. And then that's all I wanted to say on that, because I don't know, I almost bought the one on Amazon and basically I would have spent $100 more than I had to. And this camera is new too, so I was like, well what's the point unless you want it in like one day, I guess. But I ordered mine on a Wednesday and it should have been at my house by Friday, but it wasn't, just because I wasn't here to sign for it. So really I didn't wait that much longer. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. All of this stuff literally just came in a cardboard box, but literally just regular cardboard box, but yeah. So the first thing is obviously the camera, and it came in its box. Let me see if I can go ahead and open it. How you open it, I don't know. I'm so confused. Here's the tab on the back. It opens like this if you're trying to open it yourself and you're like, what the heck? And the first thing is this little cord. I'm guessing it's the charging cord or something. Really need to read my instructions. Here's the actual camera. It comes nicely in this little container thing in the box. Here it is, guys. Also, I want to say, if you go on Walmart and you're looking, make sure you're not getting it refurbished. I almost bought a refurbished one for the same price as this. They really are out there trying to cheat us, guys, so make sure that you know what you're doing. But here it is. Oh my gosh, and it has the flip screen. I really like this. This is so nice. Okay, I'm so excited. I'm wondering if I'm gonna have to charge the battery before I can use it. We'll see. So we'll put that back where it's supposed to be. I'm so scared I'm gonna drop it. Oh my gosh. It's a little heavier than I expected, but that's okay. And then the rest of the stuff, trash. Then the little battery pack, which probably needs to be charged. We have the charger. Oh, okay, so that's where the heck did I put it? Oh, okay, so this goes like, this is the charging cord. And then the little camera wrist strap. Okay, so I went ahead and started charging the camera battery, and so that was all that came in that small box, and now all the rest of the stuff is just kind of thrown in here. But let's see, what's the first thing I'm grabbing? What is this? Oh, this is cool. Okay, so what this is it's like the memory card, like it's like a card holder, because now I have a couple of memory cards, so this will actually be very good because I'm always losing my memory card, so this will be very helpful. And then they gave me two 16 gigabyte memory cards, which right now I think I have a 64 one, but honestly y'all, I think it's pretty, like, I think it's, something's going wrong with it. A lot of time, like I had filmed an entire video and then I couldn't use it because part of it wouldn't go on my computer, so that's why there hasn't been a video in like 2 weeks. Then there's this thing. I think this is like a lens cleaner or something, like where like if you need to like get dust out of it, you just like, I think that's what it said online. I'm honestly not really sure. I was more worried about the camera than anything else, but yeah. Oh, this is big, not big, but this is a tripod in its case. I don't even know if I use this tripod. We'll see how well, I feel like it might not be a good quality tripod. It looks decent. I don't know, the legs, the feet are kind of tiny on it, so we'll see. Ew. Yeah, I don't know about this. It might work. We'll see. It's very small. My other one is a better tripod than this, so this probably will not be used much, but we'll see. This might be good if I'm like trying to film on my desk though, so we'll keep it just in case. And this lens and screen cleaning kit right here, that'll be helpful. I don't know what comes with it. It's with Q-tips and the cleaner, I guess. Okay, so I had no idea what this was, and I'm still not completely sure I know how to use it, but look, y'all. It's like a little cleaner thing for your lens, I think. And I don't know, what does this side do? Oh. I don't know what just came off on me. Oh no. I'm not sure what that is. I'm gonna put that back. And then they gave me this little USB port drive thing, which will be helpful. So yeah, I think it has something to do with the camera. I have no idea where the instruction manual is. Like, I need the instruction manual, people. I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh, my cat's coming down from his tower. And then the last thing that is in here is this little camera bag, which is nice. Does it come with a strap? I hope it does, because that'll be really useful if it does. Oh, heck yeah, it does. So look how cute and handy that is. Okay. So that's all that's in the box. Now let's see if I can at least get some charge on my camera so I can show y'all the difference. Also, I wanted to say for reference that I am filming on my Canon Rebel T2i, so I also don't have like the flip up, and I feel like that's going to be helpful. But yeah, so that's what I'm filming on right now, and then I also film on my iPhone sometimes. So if you're wanting to know what I'm filming on now and when I'm switching over to my vlogging camera, now you know, so you'll be able to tell the difference between the two. And my Canon Rebel T2i, do you like how I don't remember the name of it? Like, I don't know why I'm struggling so much. Is also like, I've had this since I was like 13, so it's like 7 years old. It's been here for the long haul, so yeah. Anyways, let's go ahead and test out the other camera. I also just wanted to throw in a clip of me using my iPhone so you could see the difference if you use your iPhone and not like a DSLR. So this is what the lighting would look like on my iPhone compared to the camera. Okay, well now that I've actually figured out how to start recording, okay, so I feel like the hardest part, I keep like looking up at myself, but I need to be looking here. But I really like it. It's really, it's good quality. I think everybody thinks that. So back there is where my rabbits used to live in here, and Daisy chewed off my paint, if you're wondering what that is. But anyways, yeah, I think that this is really nice. Yeah. I like that it blurs out the background, and I also took me like 5 minutes to try to figure out how to start recording. The recording button's on the back. You don't hit the little clicker button. But anyways, yeah, I feel like it's gonna look really good whenever I have like my lighting coming in better than right now, like when it's dark. But anyways, yeah, I really like this. I need to look at the lens. That's what I'm gonna have to practice. So my mom is in the background talking, and I just realized that she's on the phone. So if you can hear her, I'm sorry. But I just wanted to say that I really like this camera. It's super good quality. I like the fact that I can see myself in the top, so I know where I'm at, because you know, like with my old camera, like I could have been way over there and I would have never known. So that's one thing I really like about this. And I also like that even though it's kind of dark in my room, it doesn't look really bad. And yeah, the only thing I don't like about this is I don't think it came with an instruction manual. Like, I don't know how to connect the Wi-Fi part of it or whatever you have to do for that. No idea how to do that, and it didn't come with an instruction manual to tell me, so I have to figure that out. But in general, the camera itself is really good, and I really like it. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all next time. Bye guys.